Meow, 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 meow. Holy shit. Deep underground, far below the blasted overworld dwells. Okay. You are the lowest of the low in the Goblin Society. Your task is to scour the depths of the pit and bring back as much food as you can find. The pit is a dark and treacherous place, a maze of unauthorized attacks. Be the king and queen. Blah, 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 blah. Voice animation? Always. 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 Make a goblin. This goblin is ready.
Wait, I've been download the game.
I already did, and I made a goblin. This goblin. Oh no!
What?
I'll show you when you get in.
Yabba dabba doo. What happened?
Hello, goblin. Whoa! What did you do? Why would you immediately pick a fight? I'm not helping you. That's your fault. Hey. Go! Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We need to find.
So this is
food.
this is like another gamer we played, but we can't say for copyright reasons because we're big people now.
Even if we were big, we would not need to avoid saying that for copyright reasons. Oh, I'm Markiplier, and I can't say Lethal Company. Markiplier would be dead if he couldn't say the name of another game.
Oh my god!
A skeleton! Is that you? Oh, you're nasty.
Hey, there's a person right there.
That's a skeleton.
No, look right here. He is alive.
Oh.
He's alive.
Go rock. Ah. Oh!
You caught him?
Got his freaking jag. Come on, man.
I didn't mean to hit you.
Where's his dagger? No, you made me lose the dagger. Where did it go? The dagger.
Evan,
Huh?
I feel very sorry for making you lose your dagger.
What?
So I got you some.
Oh.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
I made it. I made it. Freaking. Wait, if I sell this and this, oh, and I can get the big meat. Oh, I got a big meat. A big meat. It's big. It's ham. It's like a. Whoa. What? What's this? A gear! Yay! Yay! I got a huge cog. Oh, so you're dead then. Okay. You didn't die. Oh, because that's not you. Stop! Drop! You're nothing! You're nothing! You are nothing! No! No!
I just run.
What? Hey! That's not me. Oh! What is on my door?
Wait, what? You're not dead?
You hear me? You hear
Now
me?
I can't hear you. Oh, now I can hear you. Now I can't.
Hello?
If I dash, I can hear you.
Oh, the game must think.
Yeah. Alright, speak now.
The game thinks you're dead.
Wait, what is the game thing?
The game thinks you're dead.
Wait, keep going.
Dead. Dead. Maybe we should just leave. I don't know where the altar is. I mean, the altar's in there, but I don't know where.
What?
Just
What?
leave. Leave.
Speak faster.
Leave.
What?
Leave. Leave.
I-
Leave. 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 Leave.
Say
Leave.
1, 2,
Leave.
3
Leave.
if you're
Leave.
saying I should
Leave. 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 Leave.
I said say 1, 2, 3 if you think I should leave.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, I think you cut off. Can you say it again? Hello? Hello? Speak stone. So this is so I can speak to you. It's like a walkie-talkie.
It's like a walkie-talkie.
Alright, I hate you.
Let's try to leave.
Well, we don't need that. If we both act dead, we can speak to each other, I think.
Do
yeah,
you
just
think?
go over there. Go over there, and then I'll ragdoll and speak.
I'm talking. I'm talking.
Hello,
I'm talking.
hello,
I'm talking.
hello?
I'm talking.
Oh my
I'm
God.
talking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Radio communication. Dead bodies. Dead bodies can speak. What?
Where did he just go?
What in the world?
Is he actually dead?
Yeah.
How did he die? How'd you
Door.
die?
Door.
The door
Door.
killed you?
Entering.
To spin? No way. Is that an AK-47?
What?
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's you.
Kill him.
Hey, where are you running? Where are you running? I mean, he's gone.
Look at it. Don't fall in that hole.
Fall? No, he's right there. He's right there.
He's gonna knock us in. Got him. Oh hey, they're selling
yes.
Pac-Man.
This is seller. That's what I thought it was.
The microphone symbol is a bit redundant to have when there's already a symbol of the goblin speaking with like vocal sounds coming out of him. It's not really necessary. That's a seriously horrible bug. That is a terrible bug. That should not be in the game.
Hey, you died.
The game might be in
This one.
development, but if you're developing the game and that's something you notice happens,
Dang. Alright, I'm
you
gonna go get
remove
more
that
stuff.
before you ever put out any kind of public release of it.
I
We
have
didn't
the
pay much
video.
money for this, but money was paid. And they even say they're updating this game. I don't know. Maybe they just see. I don't know. That's such a like a.
Ow.
That was not something hidden. This was not something specific
Back
to
in there.
us. It has happened multiple times. It's just not something that should happen commonly. I thought it all looked very cool. I thought the game looks cool. I think it has a nice style, other than when you can tell that it's free assets. I like how the Goblin model looks. I can tell this one was made by them. Huh. I wonder, maybe, if there's a secret around this area. Hello? Oh, wow. Oh no, there's secrets in here. There's potions. It was 2 potions. We're gonna try them out whenever I bring it back. Alright, let's drink some potions.
Give me the potion.
There's 2 potions. Alright, I'll drink this
Hey,
one, you
bottom
drink
up.
that one. Ugh. What the hell happened?
This one was a good potion.
He just got a yummy potion.
Wait, when I emote, I can hear you.
Oh, good.
Wait, so I can just do an emote and hear you.
So you got the yummy potion. And I got the potion of blast. So that's what happened. I blewed up.
You got the poopy potion.
I blowed up. Am I big? Wait, you are small. Why am I big?
Wait, I'm small?
I think you're normal and I'm big. Why am I big?
It's the same height.
No, not on my screen. I am huge. Oh, I can't fit in here. I'm too big. Hey! 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 I'm too big to fit in an area. I need your help.
The king.
God! God damn it! Let's see. Oh. Oh, I put this game in PS2 mode. This is kind of cool. Let's go places we're not meant to. Okay. And then, can I like... Yes! Yes! Yes!
What?
Oh, well, I'm up here.
How'd you get up there?
I made it. What? This is what we've been missing out on? He's huge. I don't think it's intended. Gamble! Gamble, 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 gamble! Gamble, gamble! Gambling! Gambling! Aw. Wait, wait, wait!
Wait. Oh, bang!
Yeah!
Alright, that's fine.
Very good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get that Mr. Oh. 3 more coins. Any of you got like a bag of coins or something?
Big money, big money, big money,
Big money! Meat.
Meat? What is meat meat?
That's not meat, that's a fruit.
Give me times 3. Oh no! Whoa!
Oh. Okay.
Big money!
Okay.
Wait, should we go for 10 or 5?
If we
should get
do
more
5,
fun.
we have more chances. Give me something good. Yeah. Money.
No, 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 no.
What?
Die or no die?
Die or take all your
Die
money.
or no gold?
No!
I saved you. Don't
Oh,
have to worry.
wait, yeah. I thought I was spectating. Let's hit it again. Big money.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah.